In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a blog with Weebly. Whether you're starting a personal blog or setting up a new platform for your business, Weebly makes it easy and efficient. Let's dive right in and walk through the process step by step to ensure you get your blog up and running smoothly. First things first, navigate to the Weebly website. You'll want to log into your account or create one if you haven't already. This is the main hub where you'll manage everything related to your site. Once you're in, look for the website tab and give it a click. This action will take you to the section where all the magic happens in terms of building and customizing your site. Now, to start creating your blog, you'll need to edit your site. You should see an option that says Edit Site. Click on that and it will open up Weebly's website editor, a user-friendly tool that allows you to customize your site, layout, pages and more. With the editor open, focus your attention on the left-hand side of the screen where you'll find the Pages tab. Clicking on this will show you the existing pages on your site and allow you to add new ones. To add a new page, locate the icon that resembles a small plus sign or the option labeled New Page. Click on it and you'll be prompted to choose the type of page you'd like to create. For your blog, select Blog Page. This option configures your new page specifically for blog posts and entries. Next, you'll be asked to enter a name for this page. Think of a name that fits the theme or purpose of your blog, something catchy and easy to remember. Type in your chosen name and confirm by clicking Done. This action creates the framework for your blog page. Now that your blog page is set up, it's time to start populating it with content. Click on the various elements of the page to edit them. This could mean adding text, images or other media to make your blog visually appealing and informative. At this point, you'll want to add a title to your blog, something captivating that draws in visitors and clearly conveys what your blog is about. Once you're satisfied with how your blog looks and feels, the final step is to publish it. Head over to the right-hand corner of the editor and click Publish. Congratulations, your blog is now live and accessible to the world. You've successfully created a blog with Weebly and you're ready to start sharing your stories and ideas. Remember, blogging is an ongoing journey. Continuously update and refine your content to keep your audience engaged. Feel free to explore all the customization options Weebly offers to make your blog unique. Thank you for watching and happy